Hi, welcome back to Waiter There's More. Today we're going to talk about the art of sabering. Now, what does that mean? It means that we're going to open this bottle of champagne with this saber by sliding it along the bottle and cutting the cork part off completely with the glass still attached to it. I'm going to take you through the process step by step, and to test the theory, our cameraman Marcus is going to come and perform the sabrage himself. So step one, what do you need? You need a saber. The next thing you need is a cold bottle of champagne. It needs to be cold because the bottle, the glass itself, is more fragile when it's cold. So when you're cutting it, it will crack where you want it to crack. And so we'll peel off the foil. Like this. And you need to look for the line that connects the two halves of the bottle. Let's see if we can find it. Wow, this is a tough one. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that line here in the reflection, but you can certainly feel it with your finger. The thing is, you need to slide the saber along that line, and when you hit the neck of the bottle, it will start cracking like that and fly off. So all glass bottles are, let's say, glued together in half. So the two halves are connected by two lines that go on each side of the bottle. This bottle has been in my fridge for 2 days. 4 hours is just enough to have it cold enough for sabering. The contents of the bottle, the actual champagne, when it's cold, the molecules move slower, as opposed to when it's warm, the molecules move faster. So there's always the same pressure in the bottle, 2 kilos of pressure that wants to come out. But when it's cold, it won't spray the champagne. So, Marcus, come on in.
All right. First, I want you to show them what it's all about.
So, a few years ago, or rather in 2011, I participated together with my current job at the time in a Guinness World Record for the most champagne bottles sabered in 1 minute. And this was held in Spain, in Marbella, and I did 32 bottles in 1 minute. Later on, in 2015, I tried the record once again, and this time I did 56 bottles in 1 minute. And we'll link to those clips below. Maybe Marcus can put in a small clip.
I haven't seen them myself.
You haven't seen them?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
So I will definitely show them here.
If you remember how we are going to do it, let me hear you explain it back to us, what you're going to do now.
Yeah, so behind the camera I heard you said the halves are like glued together, not glued, but they are. So I have to slide the knife on that line and in one motion, or do I like snap it off, or
hold this for me?
Yeah.
So you're going to push from your solar plexus just straight.
Like I'm boxing.
Yeah, just straight, don't swing.
Okay.
And you're going to use this part of the saber.
So the inner side.
Yeah. So this is where the balance is.
All
so
right.
you have the best amount of force on this area.
Okay.
And just so that the cork doesn't fly off into the computer over there, I'm going to place this
Do I keep this
metal? Yeah,
lid on?
keep it on.
I can do it without as well.
You need to use more force.
Okay.
But usually, if you saber at home, you can remove the metal basket surrounding the cork. But I believe in you, Marcus.
I'm actually like quite nervous. I'm gonna screw things up.
So you and I will switch places.
Yeah.
And you will saber that way.
Okay.
And I'm going to hold this so that the cork doesn't fly off.
Okay. So the line is right there.
And then imagine you're going to stop here. You're not stopping
so
here.
So I'm going like through.
Yeah, push through forward. And yeah, don't be afraid to use a little bit of force.
Yeah. Okay. Should I go?
Yeah, go whenever you want.
All right.
Bit more force. All right. Well done.
It came off.
It came off. It came off.
And yeah, it's... Yeah, you can actually drink from this.
You can drink from that. Not straight out of the bottle. Into a glass, of course.
Yeah, because you will cut your lip.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a bit messy here
Well
now.
done.
Thank you.
Bit of a adrenaline rush,
Yeah,
right?
I'm a bit shaky now actually. But it was fun.
Excellent.
My first bottle. Yeah.
Well done, man.
I'm happy. Thank you.
Yeah, there are a few glass shards around here.
But they don't come into the bottle.
Exactly. So because
Pressure of, yeah.
there is always 2 kilos of pressure inside the bottle. So whenever you saber, that pressure makes all the glass move outwards, and there will never be glass going inwards into the bottle. So it's totally safe to drink.
Yeah.
Right, so we can clearly see where on the saber he hit the bottle. He slid it through the bottleneck and it touched right there. And here on the cork, because this metal basket was still attached to the cork, to the bottle, he had to use enough force to cut the metal basket and reach the bottleneck. And that's where it started to crack and flew off into space. All in all, excellent work from Marcus. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos about waiter tips. Thank you.
Thank you. See ya.